Hi there, my name is David, and in this video I'm going to walk you through eFitness software, focusing on boutique studios, yoga studios, or similar type of business, and how you can leverage eFitness to manage everything about your business, from sales, marketing, reporting, automation, to bookings, payments, etc. So let's dive into it. eFitness software can be divided in two main parts. The member part with its member area and mobile application, which you can see right now, and the management part with all its modules allowing you to run studio effectively. So let me start with the mobile application, which is an extension of your business 24/7 with your members. When you open the app, you search for the club you would like to join or you're a part of. Of course, eFitness provide a white label solution that there's only your club within the app and with your branding, with your logo, so there's no information about eFitness there. Right now I'm showing you on our demo version, so the demo application. Yeah, the entry screen, you see the basic information about the handy information about the club. I can go to the website, I can send an email, or I can call the club directly from the mobile application. When I enter, few tabs here: club, schedule, activity, notifications, and profile. Let me just walk you through it. So to some of those tabs you have access without the need to log in. To other you have to log in first. So I click activity. In order to see the activity, I have to be a member. If I'm not a member, so the first thing what I'm going to do is click on join now. And here you have implemented a sales process. So your members, your studio members, can purchase the membership through the app. They can do it the same from the member area, but they can also purchase or renew the membership directly from the mobile application, which is awesome. Click next. eFitness also supports within the mobile application the add-on module, where members can purchase additional services. So this is a great way for any operator, any studio to increase the revenue from the same client base. Basically, you just offer your clients additional services that they can easily just choose and upgrade their membership. Click next, and of course you go through the steps. You fill out your contact information, then you go to the payment stage where you add your card payment information, and done. Your membership is created. Everything is synced with the eFitness software. So in a little while I'm going to show you also the software where all the members ends up and where you have information about them. So let me close it and actually click sign. So I will sign to my app, and first let me actually go and just book some classes. So let me book a Zumba for today. Or let me also book something for tomorrow or Sunday. Do we have some Pilates here? Okay, ABT. Sign up. So very simple, very intuitive. Can look for different classes. I see, who else signed up to that class. I can use the magnifying glass to have a different view of the classes I would like to sign up. Of course, to some classes, if you create it like that you have additional service for such class, you have to have that additional service in order to be able to book certain class types. Activity section, here you have a handy information about your activity in the club, so planned activities, the classes you booked through the app. You can easily cancel the booking if you can't make it. You can sign up yourself for a waiting list if there is no free spots available, and you see how many entries you generated in past month, how much time you spent in the club, and how many classes you participated. Notification, it's a place where you as a member or your members are going to see all the push notifications they received from you. In the profile section, there's quite a few important information for the member, allowing them to manage their membership directly from the mobile application. So when I go to my membership, I will see what kind of membership I have right now. So my current membership and past memberships. So all the information in one app. I have right now 2 memberships, PT at 10 package of 10. And a 6-month membership. Here, of course, I can go to installment and charges, see if there's any overdue payments that I need to, pay. Most of our clients, they used automated payments, so members, they don't have to worry about that. But if there's any issue with the card payment, they can always go and initiate the payment by themselves. Just highlight, click pay, and directly through the app, they will pay for their outstanding installments. Manage my services. So if I haven't purchased any membership during the buying process, I can quite easily just go to the app and upgrade my membership. Because, for example, I would like to have so maybe you will have at your studio some premium classes that only premium users have access to. So I purchased a basic membership, and right now, after a month, I would like to just upgrade my membership. So just click on the plus, and you just added extra service, which the system will then bill you monthly for that service. And of course, I can also downgrade my membership directly from the mobile application. Terminate membership. So here you have two options. Members can either freeze the membership or just terminate. And of course, it depends on the membership configuration you set up in the system. So there's a flexibility here. Nonetheless, the member have full control over their membership, meaning that they don't have to call you, call reception to assist, and that's why you save a lot of time on admin. Going forward, manage consents, edit profile, language, change email, invoices, so members will be able to see all the invoices they have in the system. When you click on the invoice, they will be able to preview the invoice generated by the system for them. Let me show you something else. Feedback, where they can send the feedback about the mobile application. And also my credit debit card. So here's the place where you can update your payment card information. So if card was stolen, or if you have a new card, or if you want to change the card, you can very easily just update the card. So making sure that all your payments will be collected properly. So we went through almost all the tabs. Last one is the club section. So here, of course, you have the newsletter. It's basically, those are articles from the blog section in the member area, from the news section in the member area. I'm going to show you in a short while. So members can see it in the member area and also in the mobile application. Team, you will have the team displayed, also displayed in the member area, in the mobile application. And last thing is QR codes. So more and more clients, they're using self-service solution based on QR codes. In that case, the whole client journey is digital, so and online. So you don't have to have any self-service kiosk. You don't have to purchase any membership cards. Basically, members buy the membership through the app or through the member area when they download the app, log into the app. The QR code automatically will be generated, and then they just go to the gate, if you have the gates, or they go to reception, just open the app, shows you scan the code, and the member profile pops up, or the gate opens. So very simple, very intuitive, and here some information about opening hours and also the contact details to your club. So to sum it up, it's a mobile application, very user-friendly, easy to navigate, give the members a lot of options to manage their bookings, to manage their membership, to buy new membership, and also with the QR code access control, it creates a seamless experience from joining the studio to entering the studio. First-time members don't have the mobile app downloaded, so most of the time they will buy membership on your website. So it is crucial to have the member area. As member area is connected with your website, and have the same feature as the mobile application. So if someone haven't downloaded the app, they can easily do everything within the member area. Of course, the member area is connected with your website. Basically, you have a button in your website like buy membership or member area button. When you click on it, it redirects the member exactly in this place. So what you see here is our template member area, which can be easily adjusted to your branding. So you just change the logo, background picture, and colors to have the consistency. Of course, it comes in multiple languages, 11 right now, and it's quite easy to just add additional translation if needed. So let me give you a quick walkthrough. So the things that you have in the mobile application, you can also manage in the member area. So I'm right now in timetable, so I see my my timetable, all my bookings. If I've done the booking through the app or here, it's all synced, so I will know about it. I can cancel the booking if I can't make it. Yeah, so quite easy to navigate, filter. Great thing, I'm not sure if I mentioned, in regards to mobile application, you can also create online classes where clients can sign up to some online content, live content. It's a very handy feature. From here, inside the club, so here you can set a limit how many people can actually enter the facility in a given time. I see that right now there are 3 people in the club, so it's that indication for a member in case there is a limit imposed by the government. News section, this is also what you see in the mobile application, basically where you share the content with your members. So it's the same here as you see in the mobile application. So in both places they can update and check what's new at the club. Buy membership, the same simple buying process. Here I'll just focus on another thing. Basically, there's only 96 memberships available at the special price. We call it special pricing scheme in eFitness software. So this marketing campaign that you can create is very effective for pre-sales. So if you are opening a new studio, at pre-sales you can say, okay, we have 150 founders membership at special price, and the system tracks the number, how many people bought it, and when you sold out, then the price will increase automatically. So it's very effective at pre-sales. You can also, the psychological thing that people see, okay, maybe I will miss out if I don't act now and I don't purchase it. So it's better to buy it now than wait. You can also use it for selling bootcamps or yoga retreats. So if you have like 20 spots, it's a great option to use it, because you know that now you only sell 20 spots, for, I don't know, 500 euros. I'll choose the Flexi one, click next, and here of course the same add-ons that you have in the member area. So the great way to increase the revenue with the same client base, access to all clubs or to all studios, or access to fitness classes. If they are already included in the membership, maybe it's worth thinking about premium group classes just for people that actually purchase additional service for 10 euros, and they will be able only to book those classes. When you click next, you basically enter your contact details, coupon code. I'm already logged in, so I don't have to do it. Agree terms with terms and conditions, and you can go to payments, add your payment card, and your membership is created. So it's very simple, very intuitive. And the last section is agreement section. As in the mobile application, you can check, what kind of membership you have, freeze it, cancel it, manage your services, so upgrade, downgrade. It's very simple, very intuitive. It's configurable thing, so basically the freeze cancel policy depends on the membership configuration, so you have control over it. And of course you see your actual agreement and payments all on automatic payments, recurring payments, so the member don't have to do anything. They're going to be automatically charged appropriate amount. From here, to quickly sum up, eFitness mobile application and member area gives your members full control over their membership classes, add-ons, payments, and access to the facility. And for you, for a studio, it just gives you more time and saves you money. It's very simple, it's paperless, and great solution for any studio. So from here, let me dive into the management part and show you how the eFitness management software works and how it helps you to run your business better. So let's dive into it. So right now I'm logged into the management part where you can manage all your studio needs, from sales, marketing, reporting to finance, member management, etc. It seamlessly connects with access control and payments. Since eFitness is a cloud-based solution, you have access to it from wherever you are and whichever device you use, laptop, tablet, or your mobile phone. Of course, you have full control to manage access to the system and create roles that grant access to certain parts of it. So you as an admin, you will have access to everything, but you can then limit, when creating roles for your employees, you can limit access to certain parts of it, making the software even simpler for your staff members. Okay, so let me show a few key features. When you log in first, the first thing you're going to see is our dashboard. Here for the demo version, we have a dashboard that shows you a club chain that has 100 clubs in 3 different countries, but we can quite quickly filter it, and you will see the benefits that comes from the dashboard from a smaller operator. Okay, so let's imagine that I have one studio. So I get right away my KPIs: club entries, active members, total income, other income, so the income besides the membership generated by the club, and what's the net gain for the club. So right away you have all the KPIs that you can check and filter. Those filters are interactive, so let me just show it to you. Right away I can see okay, my age group that brings the most revenue, it's 17 and less. Okay, let's choose 30-39 to have some more typical studio, and I can also combine the data with the gender. So I chose 30-39 and male 7%, and now on the fly all the numbers recalculate, and I get the club entries, active members, total income, other income, etc. So I can, with few clicks, I can really see what are the differences, which age group brings me the most money, which gender brings me the most money, which client source brought the most revenue to the business. So from here, you can go to reporting, and in reporting you have a deep dive look into your numbers. So there is quite few reports that you can really analyze each aspect of your business. I'll give you just a few examples. So Agreements 2.0 gives you all the information about your sales. So number of agreements, value, and number of members. When you have plenty of filters to really narrow the list you would like to filter, to segment your data. Additional options. So let me show you in a little while. I would like to just add a member, and not member status, membership. Search. So right now I'll have the list divided by member and what kind of membership they have. Very handy. A few clicks. I click additional options, and the beauty of eFitness is that besides just filtering the data, having the data handy, you can filter the data within the software, so you don't have to export this to Excel, but you can still export each report to Excel. But additionally, you can act on those numbers. So you can send mass email to those members, you can send text message, add bonus points if you want to tag those members, if you like to tag them and then use the tag in marketing section or in other report, or create a CRM activity. So, but this one I will show you in another report. So let me go back. So this is the Agreement 2.0 report, activity report, showing you you can use it to filter people that haven't showed up in the club in the last 1.5 months. Yes, so let me search it. I have few people here. I can call them one by one, or I can click additional options and once again send email to those members saying, hey John, hey Jonathan, you haven't showed up in last 30 days at our studio. Please let us know what's going on. Maybe we can help you in some way. We really miss your energy. So it's very important that you have a quick way of filtering such members and just interact with them. So you can either sending an email, sending text message, or you can create a task, CRM task. Select rows, so add task to all, or you can create CRM task and assign it to, for example, reception person or a trainer. And the trainer then will see the list of people in his CRM, and basically he will have tasks to follow. And for example, call those people one by one and just ask them, how are they doing and when they are going to come back to the facility. Reports, go back, and for example, class attendance. I'm not sure if we have any. Percentages here, okay, all empty, but you get the idea. The system will know how many people made the reservation, how many actually showed up on the class, and you will have the percentage. And based on that, you can make assumptions or decisions that maybe some classes are more popular than other. Maybe the challenges or the one of the instructors is really doing a great job, and attendance rate will just tells you that. And of course, above that you have filters, so we can filter it by instructor, by class type. So really get the numbers to effectively build your timetable that is most compelling for your members. And last thing I will show you, it's retention rate. With few clicks, you will get your retention rate for your studio. So for how long the members are staying at your facility and when they are dropping out. Why is that important? Of course, now you can ask yourself, okay, so in third month we have drop from 80 to 20% or 27. What happened and what we can do in the second month that the third month is not going to look like that. Yeah? Above that, you also have the retention rate divided by each month. So we see each month how many people joined, treat them as 100%. Next month in March, 66%, still a member. Month after that, the same. Month after that, it will be June, 33%. So now you can start asking your question, what happened? And then, okay, so what we can do a month before to prevent it. But first you have to have the data here to analyze it. So from reporting, let me go and just show you how you manage your members. And of course, when you have the member area and mobile application, so all the sales are done online. Of course, if members want to purchase it at the studio, you can of course do it and sell it and add the member manually. I'm not going to show it to you, quite easy. Just click on the plus and follow the steps. Here you're going to see all your current members and members without valid membership. You have those colorful statuses that helps you to filter the members. You also can find these statuses in the reporting section. To give you an example, active new means that I purchased the membership, but I'm no longer than 30 days a member. So I am a new person, new member, and it's great. You have this information here. So when somebody entered the facility, and you open their member profile, right away you see their status. So you can of course engage them, yeah? Discuss with them, talk with them, and ask them how you can help them out. Here we have a member. Their membership is in green, so I don't have to check anything else. So when somebody comes to the reception and asks for help, you scan their either QR code, you scan their member card, you scan their fingerprint. It depends, what kind of access control you're using. Let me find actually a member, this one, okay, that there. So let's imagine that I went through the gate, I used the QR code, then he went to the reception, Martin, because he had the question. Yeah, so you ask him to scan his QR code. The member profile pops up. This is the simple member profile, just to give you a quick overview. So we see that they have valid membership, and if he wants to, you know, do something else or ask you about something or leave you some piece of information, you just go to the full member profile, where in one place you have everything about your members. And if Martin wanted to, you know, ask me about something or gave me some information, I could go to CRM, for example, and just add a note. Add a note to that member profile, and maybe, you know, assign somebody to follow up with the member. But yeah, you have the data about that member, agreements, so all the agreements, past and actual agreement, if all are in green, that's awesome. It means that everything is paid for, and yeah, the member can use the facility, but you get all the information in one place. We of course have separate lists for leads, so if you also have doing the club tours, studio tours, etc., you can sign up and add your potential clients into the lead list in the system. And inside the club is going to show you actual members that are in the club right now, in the studio right now. So it's helpful information for staff on the floor. Okay, from members, finance, everything about finances and online payments. So you will see here all the transactions that went through, which one haven't went through, and how to deal with them. You know, either contact the client or wait for the system to charge the client again. Sales, in sales, of course, you have the bar module, invoices. You create your warehouse where you do the stock taking, etc. But it's quite easy with the bar module to just sell products to your clients. And of course, it's connected with your reporting, so you get all the numbers and reports in the report section about your bar sales. My calendar, it's the place where you have the timetable. It's the same timetable like you have in the app and in the member area. Yeah, so everything is synced in one place. You can also sign somebody to the class from here, or just see who signed up to the classes. So you will have a list of people to verify. We also have dedicated PT module where you can sign up PT clients for the PT training. Yeah, let me sign up somebody new to Jessica. Maybe it's also going to be Jason Jonathan, advanced training. Click save, and yeah, easy as that. You also have reporting connected to that, so you will know how many trainings she conducted, and how to then compensate her for it. So from my calendar, let's go to the CRM section. So CRM section basically help you to close more deals, to convert more clients into paying customers. And of course, it depends on the business model. So if you have automated business models where you can only purchase membership online and you don't do the club tours, then you don't have to use it. Sometimes clients use it as a help desk tool. So if somebody needs help, etc., then you just create a CRM task in activity section and just assign that CRM task to follow up with the members. But if you're doing the club tours, you know, the CRM is just a very, very helpful tool to manage your sales and, you know, close deals faster. Overview shows you the overview, how many leads you get in a given period of time, you know, how many phone calls, scheduled meetings conducted, and how many of those actually transition into active paying clients. You see your to-do list for today, you know, source of the member, and a few other additional handy information. Calendar view, where you manage your calendar. So Google Like Calendar, let me go to the day view. And it's quite easy just to, you know, to switch the meeting from time to different time using the drag and drop method. And to follow up and actually do the work, you just go to activity, filter people. I will start with the overdue one, click search. Yeah, so you have a list, and I will start one by one. So, okay, I have some old ones overdue, so not it's very good. Let me check this one. Or actually, I will find. Here I have something 9 days old. I'll close and create new one, and I'll create a meeting. And I'll create a meeting with Ali, and it will be while having Ali on the phone, on the line at 12 on 26th, and I click save. I can also add additional information, and maybe Ali is interested in some particular membership or routine, etc., or has a specific goal. You can just leave the information here, and I click save. That's all you have to do. And yeah, you just work one by one. It's very effective and helpful tool for businesses that basically do the active sales. Of course, in the CRM section, you have the members list and lead list assigned to a sales staff. So if I'm a sales staff, I don't have to wander around the system. I will see all the members that are assigned to me and all the leads that are assigned to me. So yeah, in regards to CRM section, as you saw previously in the member section, CRM section, and in reporting, you can find CRM section in different parts of the city. So it's of the city, different part of the system. In member section on the member profile, in the reporting when you run a report, and also in automation center, what I'm going to show you in a few seconds. But from CRM, let's go to marketing, or actually maybe email. Yeah, of course, you can send emails, text messages from eFitness. What I wanted to show you is that you already have an options to predefine the target group that you would like to send the email, either to all members, to active members, to active new members, to active ex-new members, etc. You can use the statuses, or you can use tags, or you can use both, one and the other. Combine the tags and the target group, and also the gender. So with a few clicks, you can really target the group to which you would like to send a marketing communication. Map shows you, it's a visual representation of where your member lives, where your members lives. And it's very handy. Sometimes when you visually see, okay, that they come from certain part of the city, and maybe there is a part of the city that you don't have any member there, and maybe it's worth to have some marketing campaign around that part of the city. And in sales promotions, so here where you create number of campaigns, there is for any marketing, it's a great marketing toolbox where you can create really multiple campaigns around coupon codes, automated campaigns, etc. There's quite a few options. I'm not going to go into details here. I will be happy to discuss it on a one-on-one presentation. So yeah, to sum up one last thing I would like to show you. So marketing, reporting, and automation center. I'll go to automation center because the important part of eFitness system is actually helping you to streamline your operations. So you have this member part where everything happens, automatically. Members can do the stuff by themselves. Then you have easy to navigate and to use the system that gives you the data, etc., but also that supports you with activities done automatically. So here, for example, I'll just give you one example in the automation center where you create the automated communication. You have a number of templates. One is agreement ends soon. You create a nicely looking, for example, email template. Add here some nicely looking HTML template. And you have tokens to personalize the message that you send to members, and you specify how many days before that membership ends you send that message. So it will be, of course, personalized, like, hey John, your membership ends within in 9 days, make sure to renew it, etc. But the beauty of it is that besides email and SMS, you can also create a CRM task that will be automatically assigned to either exact salesperson, or if you have multiple ones, it will be evenly split between your sales staff. They don't have to remember about it. The eFitness system will create it for them. So you just set it up, and now it works on autopilot. So so that's it for this video. There's still a lot more to cover, but I hope that you got a pretty good understanding how eFitness helps studio operators to run their business more effectively, automate processes, digitize entire client journey, and provide unique experience for members. If you would like to have an access to a demo version, or to check for yourself, or would like to have a guided presentation, you can contact us at efitness.com. Just go over there now to see what we have there. Till the next time, bye.